This is one of the most concerning graphs I've ever seen. We're looking at the emotionality of speeches made in US Congress over time, and there are spikes around the Civil War and World War II like you might expect, but then everything starts rising in the 1970s. And here's another study which found that political speech has been getting less rational but more confident sounding since the late 20th century. It's not just politics either. Since the 1970s, the English language as a whole has seen a decline in people using rational words like fact, data, analysis, and conclusion, and an increase in irrational words like sense, belief, faith, and feel. The media theorist Neil Postman would argue that this is directly a result of the television, which fundamentally restructured our discourse as a form of entertainment. Now everything has to be shown as a moving image, which is inherently more emotional than the written word, and it's more important to grab people's attention with emotional language than speak sincerely with rational language. The real difference with the congressional speeches is that the 1970s is when they started being televised, so politicians started performing for the cameras in order to get catchy sound bites. That kind of thing then bleeds downstream into everybody else's rhetoric. And obviously now it's even worse with social media because the literal nature of virality rewards more emotional content, and you have to get shorter sound bites, and the attention thing literally got turned into metrics that we now have to optimize for.